This is an overlapping sets question, so I've organized the information they gave us into an overlapping sets grid. And the question asks how many voters polled in favorably for both candidates, which would be this box. I'm going to start with statement 2 here since I think it's a little easier to deal with. Statement 2 says that the number of voters who polled in unfavorably for both candidates is 10. They don't like anybody. But that doesn't really help me since I need 2 other pieces of information, either these 2 or these 2, to get anything useful out of that. So statement 2 is going to be not sufficient. So I'm going to cross off B and D and then take a look at statement 1. Now statement 1 gets a little tricky because what it does is it fuses these 2 columns into one thing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to take the 20 and the 40 and I'm just going to turn that into one column of 60 people. So statement 1 tells us that the number of people that did not respond favorably for either candidate was 40 people. And since I know that the total in this column needs to be 60, I can put a 20 here. And since in this top row I know that the total needs to be 30, I can therefore put a 10 here in the box that we care about. So statement 1 is sufficient to get to that box and answer the question, making the correct answer A.